We help clients with their operational struggles. So we send consultants to help them with the day-to-day work. And also on the other side, we help them with the digital HR part. So we believe that HR is no longer the back office it used to be, but we're not quite yet to the HR business partnering part that every HR department is dreaming of.
To maintain the quality that we have at HumanX, first we have to invest in training for the consultant, and we have to bring something to the client. So the added value is really something that we focus on, and that's why we want to train our consultant in all the digital skills and skills of the future.
Basically, we're still a startup, and we know that, but we want to go ahead and structure our processes eventually on the learning culture to be ahead of it and not be on a reactive move when we are maybe 30 or 40 or 50. We chose to make our consultant grow because nowadays there is a war for talent. The new generation coming up is very high demanding. They want to get trained, they want good benefits, they want to grow fast.
But we want to help them to reach the next step of the career. So that's why it's really important for us to see them grow with us, with HumanX.
We decided to work with AIHR because it had it all. Basically, it's one platform. You have all the certifications we need because as an HR consultancy company, combining operational support and digital HR expertise, AIHR had both, so the best of both worlds. Plus, every consultant with one license could do all the certifications on the platform, just not only one training, but everything, which is a big advantage.
And we also saw a real value on the community that AIHR provides. So we know that our consultant can ask a question and receive a response, an answer from a lot of HR professionals. So it's really, really a good value for us.
Then you have the resource library, which is huge. You can have a lot of nice reporting dashboards that are ready to use in an instant. And then, like we said, it's not only like a supplier versus a B2B company. It's more like a partnership. So as a growing startup, we had to put some performance review in our processes. So basically our evaluation process is like a pyramid. So we have 50% which is client satisfaction. Then you have 30% which is self-development, and it's split in half. So you have 15% which is self-development, and then also 15% with objectives at your client side. And then the last part is the 20% added value. How we use AIHR in our performance review is in the beginning of the year, we check with every consultant where they are at this particular moments of their career and where they want to go and how AIHR can help them get there. So let's take an example. I'm a recruiter and I want to become an HR business partner. I'm lacking maybe a bit of helicopter view and strategic view on things, where I want to have a bigger insight of how an HR department works. Then we're going to pick together with the consultants the right training and certification within AIHR. An example of what our consultants are learning is, for instance, Eleonore. So she had to set up the whole recruitment process as a junior consultant, but she needed at first some guidance, of course. So I helped her with the structure, but she also did the talent acquisition and the HR generalist certification. So she could gain some insights on how can you structure the process, what are maybe the steps to follow, and also she needed some tooling. So yeah, you have then the resource library, and she basically took it and she tweaked it her own way, and then she could get started with the reporting. We allocate 2 hours per week or 1 day a month to use AIHR, and there they can do it whenever they want.
We offer the possibility for them to choose another training provider, but they all chose AIHR, so it's practical for us.
Having buy-in from our consultants was the most successful key performance indicator, because we have a very high demanding population. Every consultant from junior to senior said, okay, the content is very good. When we see them grow in their expertise, but also we see the numbers going up with the learning hours and also the certificates, yeah, we're more than happy.
It also helps us attracting candidates. So it's also a pretty good advantage.
Yeah, because that's one of the main reasons why they join us, let's say the new joiners. And that's also a question they ask during the interview. Okay, how can I grow?
Yeah.
And how can you help me reach my career goals? And we have like a structural answer saying, okay, we have AIHR for you. I also think the values and the vision that AIHR has is basically the same as the one from HumanX, which is we want to help our clients grow in their HR expertise with the help of the digital part. So we hope to help a lot of clients and also a lot of consultants to grow in those skills. And AIHR is, for me, the perfect provider to achieve that.